Hey, it's me Denise. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, what we will do is we will turn this picture right here to this one. In short, we will fix the color of the sky in our photos. And if you want to learn more, please stick around up until the end of the video para wala kayong ma-miss na kahit ano. And let's get started in 3, 2, 1, 2. First is you need to install EPIK app. Para sa mga hindi familiar, EPIK is an all-in-one photo editor like PixArt. And ang pagkakaiba lang po ay free po yung EPIK app. And pwede kang gumawa ng templates. So, since naka-install na po yung app sa phone ko, proceed na po tayo sa next step. Po natin is pagka-open po natin ng app, i-click po natin yung start editing, and i-choose po natin yung picture or yung image na may clear view of the sky na gusto natin i-edit. After natin makapili ng picture, ang next natin gagawin ay pumunta tayo sa effects, then swipe natin hanggang makarating tayo dun sa sky na effects or sa effects na para sa sky. Maraming pwedeng pagpilian like effects, and depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo. Pero for today's tutorial, we will choose the clear view of the sky. Diba? One tap lang. And optional guys, pwede nating i-adjust yung filter, yung edge, or opacity based sa gusto natin. Pwede na natin i-export yung image. If you want more editing videos like this, you can watch this video right here where I show how to edit auto lyrics in CapCut. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.